Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy. So, I wish you a good morning, good evening, namaste, whatever time it is you're watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and let's start directly into TradingView's chart. Here on the daily chart, yesterday in my video I showed you that a potential massive big cup and handle pattern could forming here. So this is the big cup, this could be the handle. The price target would be here at 0.4730. So this would be from the price it is trading right now, 2000%. That would be the price target. So, but that is maybe something for the future. Right now, let's check the smaller time frame. So, also I told you in my last video that here a potential double bottom could be forming. So this is the first bottom. Here could be forming a second bottom. So the price target from this one could bring Jasmy to 0.0364. So along this one could be a pump of 73% from the price it is trading right now. So what do you see right now here on the chart? Also, if you do a Fibonacci retracement level from this low to this high, then you can see that Jasmy right now sitting exactly at the golden pocket. It found here support, sitting right now at the golden pocket, and will decide to go up or to go down. So right now it's just sitting there, relaxing, drinking a cup of coffee maybe, but doing actually quite nothing. So in the next hours on maybe days, you will see if it will come down to this level or also to the green support level here, the green line. The yellow line is actually the second biggest volume traded in this whole area here. The red one is the most traded volume here. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. See us in the next video. And as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.